The industrial iron of my brains is here. Let's go, let's go. The best iron for anything. The best. This is what best iron for any tailor. I'm a little bit concerned about this stuff. I think it's too small. I think it's like it's too small. How is it small like this? How is it now small to line? Those that I've been seeing, I've been like this. How is it now small? So now I need to answer. So now I need to answer the question. That's my plan. It's small. Why? Why not going to be bigger? Why is it small? Why is it small? Why? This one, that the parts that we need to fix the time. You want to know how to fix this. You want to know how to fix it. Stick with me, okay? Stick with me. What's this? So I will get the shape of that later. So I also got the technical cover, to so when you're ironing, to protect the fabrics, okay? Protect the fabric. Don't go to work out and swap side. Now you can do it. So let's have a stand. We'll do the iron of when you're not using it, keep it on top. So that's that. So that's the part I do. So ironing shoe, yeah. It's called ironing shoe. It's called ironing shoe. Right? Magic ironing shoe. No shine, increased production, light as feather, aluminium inner layer. Yeah, actually. So this is the grand prize. The iron itself. What do we have inside? Bunch of manuals, bunch of paperwork. No one reads this, by the way. No one reads it. Just to let you know. So this is the tool iron. Industrial strength iron. The iron of my dream, guys. It's more than 3 years since I learned of this iron. And now I'm just getting to unbox mine, man. I hope yours is next. So yeah, this is it. This is it. Wow. Amazing. Jesus. I love this. I love the feeling I get here, man. Though this life is shorter, this life is short. Many years is here. This is barely 2 years. This is up to 2 years. This is just 1 year, 27 inches. It's barely 2 years, man. I don't go for anything wrong. So for the water level, I hear you can adjust this place when the steam is coming out too much. You can adjust the water level here. This water pressure here rather. Adjust it. So I think this one is not going anywhere. Wait, guys. This is right away. Okay. So for reference purpose, this is the 1600 watts version. We have one of 1000 watts. We have another brand, Amro Brother, that's 1300, and then we have this one 1600 from Two Line. So Two Line has two models basically. One of 1000 watts and one of 1600 watts. So I was a little bit not sure which one to go for, but I said, why not go for the bigger one? So this is the 1600 watts. So no matter what I'm ironing, whether it's suits, kaftans, can do the job. See, called light material. You can always adjust it. Even though it's 1600 watts, the other thing I thought of was I must not use the whole 1600 watts. I can reduce the heat here if it's too hot. But for the 1000 watts, what if it's not hot enough? I can't increase it more than the maximum, right? Oh, testing things. How was this wear on after fabric? First, let me put my work. So it's really working.
So basically, this iron is very easy to assemble. As you've seen, the the
Not
tank
just now.
comes with everything you need. The hose is inside the tank, so it's basically everything's basically connected for you. It's not like all those old models where you usually have to do some connections to tighten some stuff. So these newer models of solar iron are easier to fix. You just simply fix the hose and that's all. Once you fix the hose to the iron and to the tank, you are good to go. Make sure your tank is placed higher in an uplifted level so that it can flow.
So this is
So
enough.
that's just basically it.
They are just the
So
heat.
just watch out for the testing and that's all.
The point of it, how hot you want it to be. So if you want it very low, maybe how you need a light factor. Then you put it at 1. If you want to turn it off, put it at 10. It's off. And when it's off, this breathing light will be off as well. It's breathing light. Low. Then notice how that light will turn on. When I turn it, so that turn on. That's not on. I hope you can get it. Yeah, that's turn on. Then adjust it with this arrow. Then when you want to steam, you press this knob, this button here. So when you want it to steam, press it. You can see the water coming out. I've reduced it though, so it might not be coming out much. Press that. So the steam is coming out even. You see the water. Yeah. Then when you're done ironing, you keep it on this stand. Keep it on the stand to prevent burning of surfaces like this. To prevent this from happening. Now over to the tank. So this is where I hung the tank. I think the tank is not as high enough. That's why the water is messing up sometimes. So I will figure out a way to increase the height. So this is where you adjust the how much water will be going to the iron. So this is where you adjust it. So you adjust it to this place. So I'm just going to leave it like that. Leave it like that. Unboxing of my solar iron. Remember, this is 1600 watts. So 1600 watts. So enjoy your day. And for me, it's bye bye.